that'd be a top place to tie your boat up, wouldn't it, mate? Huh? Look at that. Well, these people tied their boat up right in Frowland Pub. That's awesome. Let's go.